Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. I know a lot of you already have a full-time job and you're just looking for something part-time nights and weekends to make some extra income and supplement some extra income. So this one is for you. But real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you never miss another upload. But with that being said, the company 2U is hiring a part-time technical support specialist to work the evening hours. Now, they are specifically looking for availability Monday through Sunday, 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern time. So this gives you time to get off of one job and get home, and you can work the other one, and you still have, it's not throughout the night, you still have your sleep time. Now, if you're in a different time zone, you will have to convert that to your time zone to see if those hours work for you, but this position does require weekends. It is part-time up to 29 hours, and they are looking for someone to specifically troubleshoot student and faculty technical issues via phone, email, and chat to help identify the root cause of the issue and provide world-class service to the customers. You'll also collaborate with 2U's departments and internal cross-functional teams to help resolve student and faculty issues. You'll master all of the 2U software to provide technical assistance to the faculty and students with competence, and you'll also assist with training new hires and ongoing support team members. So they do prefer a bachelor degree for this position, but it is not required. It's one of those things that's preferred but not required. Experience will outshine a degree any day. They are looking for someone who's 1 to 3 years experience working in a service-oriented customer support, technical support, or other some kind of support field. If you have experience assisting customers using phone, email, or chat software, someone who's familiar with both Apple and Microsoft operating systems, because people may be using different computers, and sometimes that does change the steps you take to solve a technical issue. Other than that, they need someone who has great organizational skills and great prioritization and time management skills. Now, if you scroll all the way down, it does give you a little bit of background about 2U and the company, but they do pay up to $17 an hour. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.